Welcome back. So I'm starting to get some resolution on my battery issue, but in the meanwhile I am upgrading my lights. If you've watched my channel, you have seen this clip before of me demonstrating the light output of two LED bars that I have mounted to my electric scooter, my Blade GT in particular. And this is a fantastic setup, a beginner setup that's all for under 70 bucks. What I found was that I became more visible to drivers and thus found myself using these lights more often during the day, and that presented problems.
This 3000 milliamp cell pack, that's 3000 milliamps for $28 some. This is capable of powering this for approximately 4 hours or so, I would say. But this right here is the big boy. Look at the size of this behemoth. That's what she said, I know. So this right here has 142.08 watt hours.
Don't worry, I don't expect you guys to do math on this video.
I've been facing some problems with my scooter, so I've been, kind of figuring out some circuitry stuff with these batteries. But this big boy arrived and I did a test. You guys know I'm very thorough with my tests. This boy for I think 12 hours consecutively, and it barely put a dent. Like, you'll see all the lights are still on this thing. It's still practically fully charged after 12 hours. 12 hours. I could attach multiple times these across my scooter in every which way direction for the cost of one single $239 Gemini. Like, I could be lighting up the city like Las Vegas for the cost of one Gemini. Just keep that in mind.